Hello everyone, I am Gurpinder Kaur. Today you will come to know about the different types of questions of IELTS writing. Academic writing is different from the general training writing, but the difference is only in the task 1 and not in the task 2. Now let's discuss about the task 1 academic. Line graph. In case of line graph, the data is represented in the form of a line. Then second is bar graph. In this, data is represented in the form of bars or rectangular bars. The third category is pie chart. In this, the data is represented like this in the form of proportions. The fourth type of question that can come in the task 1 academic is a table. In this, the different information is arranged in cells vertically and horizontally. For example, production of crops in 3 different years is given, like rice, wheat and barley is written over here and 3 different years are written over here. So the production of each type of crop in each year is written here. So this kind of a chart can also come. The next category is map. In this, the test takers don't get maps of different countries, they get maps of different cities, maybe towns, villages or islands. Next category is process. Process can either be natural process or a man-made process, and the process can come in the form of a diagram or in the form of a flow chart in which different steps are written. And in the exam, the test takers don't always get just one kind of chart, they can get multiple charts also. Means there can be combination of charts in the exam, for example line graph and table, bar graph and pie chart, and they can get more than one line graphs also or more than one pie charts also. Now let's move on to the task 1 general training. General training students get a letter for their task 1, and letter can be formal also, it can be informal also. Formal letter is a letter which is written for some official purpose, and there has to be a formal tone in formal letter. For example, if the letter is like this, write a letter to the manager. So when you are writing a letter to the manager of your company, you have to write a formal letter. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. This is a formal letter. Why? Because the work is official only. Then next category is informal letter. In this case, the test takers can get a question like this, write a letter to a friend. So when they are writing a letter to a friend, they don't have any official work with a friend, they are writing a personal or a friendly letter. So this comes under the category of an informal letter. Now in task 2, the first type of question is agree disagree essay. In this, the views of the people are given, and the question is, do you agree or disagree? For example, some people think this is the statement of the essay, and do you agree or disagree? This is the question. Second is discussion essay. 2 different views of the people are given, and then it is written, discuss both views and give your opinion. So the test takers have to discuss both the views which are given in the statement, and then they have to give their own opinion. Third is advantages, disadvantages essay. A statement will be given and then it will be written what are the advantages and disadvantages of something. And sometimes it will be written do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of something. So it means the test takers have to give an opinion whether the advantages are stronger than the disadvantages or not. Then next category is problems or causes and solutions essay. So they can either get a statement in which they have to write the problems of that thing and the solutions, or they have to write the causes of that particular thing and the solution. So it will be written after the statement what are the problems of something and how it can be solved, or what are the causes of this and what are the solutions. So something like this will be given. The next category is direct questions. In this, directly 2 questions can be asked. For example, the statement is, nowadays young adults are not satisfied with their work. What are the reasons behind this and what can be done to increase job satisfaction? So these are the 2 questions which are directly asked to the test takers. So this comes under the category of direct questions. And the last one is opinion essay. In this, the test takers have to give an opinion on the statement. A statement may be given like shopping has become a hobby for people nowadays, is this a positive or a negative development? So the test takers have to mention their opinion, whether it is a positive development or a negative development. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.